Sports scenes here at Ásgarður. What happened here in the last quarter?
I don't know what happened, man. It was crazy game, you know. We're supposed to finish this much early, but it's looked like a pressure of the game. All the time, those open shots we were missing, you know. On the end, fortunately, the most important shot we scored, you know. What was real playoff game. Both teams play with not the best rosters, you know. Hlynur is hurt and Ryan is out for the next 3 games, so at least now there are 2. But we are not. I feel like I'm empty if the best 2 athletes are not on the court, you know. But this is how it is. We need to face with reality and try to not happen this anymore. Yes.
Do you think the absence of Ryan maybe put the team together today?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, especially on the beginning. But later on, their players realized they need to take responsibility and finish this game on the best way, you know. So I'm very happy about my team, but like I say, I feel empty because the best 2 athletes are not playing and they are giving, you know, sympathy and quality of these games, you know.
This series has been a lot of fights, a lot of talking. Are you happy it's over?
I mean, you know, it's not good, you know. We are neighbors, on kind of neighbors here, 2 teams, and it's not good. I always happy when you see players. I know many people from Stjarnan, and I like the organization and everything. But today was like a funeral, something when we come, and that's not good, you know. We need to stay close and work together on some way, and you know, it was kind of a lot of problems, you know, since first game. So, but that's how it is, you know, and I hope we will make the relations much better in the future, like before.
Hlynur was in suits. Was wondering if he would be with Stjarnan today or not. Was it anything you think?
Maybe that was also the things what we didn't predict. We predict that Hlynur will play. Yeah. Unfortunately, he didn't play, and we were preparing for Hlynur that he will be on the court, and he's not present on the floor also make us some problems on the beginning, you know, about scouting on everything, and especially that first quarter was really bad. But like I say, I hope he will recover as soon as possible, you know. I hope it's nothing damaged, you know, and like I say, we are not happy when something like this happens. You know.
Semi-finals against Keflavík or Tindastóll, how are you feeling?
Is it? I don't know. I mean, whatever happened, you know, it's fine, you know. It's coming new player for us Thursday and from Canada, and he will, you know, help us at least next 2 games until Ryan recover.
Quincy Hankins Cole, though?
No, it's from Canada.
Oh, all right.
It's Hjalti Fredriksson.
Yes,
He is in Canada at the moment.